I am Howard Cross. I'm with Aviation Communications. We are a service provider in the telecommunication business, and we provide wireless telecom support products. We are an authorized Motorola dealership, so we provide many of the two-way radios for that you see the first responders, the police, the ambulance, all those radios, we provided. We also have a two-way radio network across Grand Cayman Island. One of our major customers is the airport. We provide the telecom support services for the nav aids and the two-way radio communication at the airport. Oh, Netclues. They were referred to us by our accountant. We were in the business looking for someone to develop a website for us, and we were told about them. And also they provide our email servers. We maintain our website and our email server, and those are critical things for our business. So whenever we have issues, we need quick response, and he has always delivered for us. Again, we had an issue with our email server one morning. We couldn't get out, and we know it wasn't the phone company, so he was the first person that we reached out to. He was traveling, but he was able to pick up our call immediately and get his organization in place to resolve the issue promptly. They built our website, and over the years we have gone through about 3 generations of the website, and you know, the difference between the first and the third that we're on now is like night and day. You know, he has kept up with the technology well. You know, the ideas are great. You know, with the website that he created for us is like you know, any of the best website you see out there for large corporations. Well, as you know, the majority of our customers here in the Grand Cayman Island, they're close and immediate, but our service reaches further than here, and the website gives us pretty much a regional presence where we can solicit business from wherever. We have customers that call, or prospective customers that call us from all over the region. Well, before we were, we didn't have a website. It was business based on, you know, local media and those that you know. But I've seen tremendous growth with the business with the website. You know, we have established a relationship with other vendors from overseas, and the first thing that they use to really measure the type of company you're running is, can I have a look at your website? And I feel that makes a difference. Well, I'm definitely not going to give him a 5 because I want to have room to maneuver, so I'll give him a 4. How about that?
Okay. Thank you so much for your